The euro's inception in 2001, a landmark moment in European monetary history. The year 2001 marked a pivotal moment in the history of European monetary integration with the introduction of physical euro banknotes and coins. This event was the culmination of years of planning and cooperation among European Union (EU) member states, signaling a significant step towards economic unity and integration. Historical context ***. The idea of a single currency for Europe had been under discussion for decades before the euro's introduction. The Maastricht Treaty of 1992 laid the groundwork for the creation of the euro by establishing criteria for countries to join the European Monetary Union (EMU). These criteria included low inflation, stable exchange rates, and sound public finances. Introduction of euro banknotes and coins ***. On January 1, 2001, euro banknotes and coins became legal tender in 12 participating EU countries, effectively replacing their national currencies. These countries were Austria, Belgium, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Ireland, Italy, Luxembourg, the Netherlands, Portugal, and Spain. The introduction of the euro banknotes and coins symbolized a tangible manifestation of European unity and cooperation. Design and features ***. Euro banknotes feature designs representing architectural styles from various periods in European history, showcasing the cultural diversity and heritage of the continent. Each denomination is distinguished by its color and design elements, making them easily recognizable. Euro coins also feature unique designs representing different aspects of European identity, such as historical figures, landmarks, and symbols. Value and exchange rate ***. The value of the euro against other major currencies, such as the US dollar, fluctuated in its early years. Market sentiment and economic conditions influenced these fluctuations, leading to periods of volatility. However, over time, the euro stabilized and gained acceptance as a major international currency. Economic impact ***. The introduction of the euro had significant economic implications for participating countries. It eliminated exchange rate fluctuations and transaction costs within the eurozone, fostering greater economic integration and trade among member states. The euro also promoted price transparency and competition, contributing to the efficiency of the single market. Challenges and adaptations ***. Despite its successes, the euro faced challenges in its early years. The transition from national currencies to the euro required adjustments for businesses, consumers, and financial institutions. Additionally, the eurozone experienced economic crises, such as the sovereign debt crisis, which tested the resilience of the single currency and prompted reforms to strengthen economic governance. Conclusion. The introduction of physical euro banknotes and coins in 2001 marked a historic milestone in the journey towards European economic integration. Over the years, the euro has become a symbol of stability and cooperation, facilitating trade, investment, and prosperity within the eurozone. Despite facing challenges, the euro remains a cornerstone of the European Union's economic and monetary framework, reflecting the continent's commitment to unity and solidarity.